Okay, just get that ready. Like, we don't want to. Just put on your forehead like.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to do a blindfold slime challenge. We have all of our ingredients here, and we all got blindfolds.
So let's get started.
Okay, who's going first? Do we all go at the same time?
No, Joyce is going first.
No, Daddy's.
Joyce, you're going first? All right, put on your blindfold.
We're going to mix it up first.
It's not covering your eye. Joyce.
I can't.
Here.
You hit the subconscious.
Can't see nothing.
All right, let's get started. Joyce, go first.
Okay, this activator, and then this one.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go.
Oh.
Get the glue, get the glue.
I'll keep doing
Did you get the glue?
Okay, I'm going to get
That's fine, right?
2 glues, this, and an activator. All right, Sammy, I'm done.
You're
You
done?
can go. Yep, go.
Okay.
You got the color glue.
Okay, where is the glue?
I could do pink.
Okay, I picked these two. All right.
They're just white glue.
Put the activators. Okay. All right, I got my ingredients.
Now come here over my blindfold.
No, we're not supposed to see it till we're done making it.
But our bowls, how are we going
We just did the balls. Did you guys take it off already?
No, you just have to slide it in.
Okay. Yee.
That's mine, Jojo.
All right, are we gonna start?
Yes, I'm going to.
Okay.
Ooh.
Now,
Oh,
I don't know what color this is. Oh no, I'm scared.
I'm just going to take off the whole thing.
I'm just
Yeah. All right.
gonna open my eyes.
I'm not going to, don't put all of it in.
I can't open
Is it working?
Yes.
It feels like this thing is empty. Ew, ew, ew. Never mind.
I dropped the glue. I dropped the cap in my bowl, and now my fingers are all sticky.
I don't even know how much I put. I'm terrified. Okay. What's next? Can I get the shaving cream, s'il vous plaît? Where's the shaving cream?
Can't help me, Sammy.
Help with what?
My glue, this is mine.
Okay.
Hopefully I'm doing everything
My
good.
hands are sweaty.
I can't even see it. All I see.
Did you take off your blindfold, Joyce?
Yeah.
Bruh. Whatever.
Because I'm a sister, so I had to. Oopsie.
Mine's gonna look the best.
That's fine. Mine is gonna look like a booger now.
Is it even working?
Oh, I'm done. Where's my stick?
Yeah, it's working.
Thank you.
How much have you been? You've been so much.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the
My stick, my guys. I'm mixing it now.
Are you
Put
done?
my second glue. I feel like something's up. Mommy, you're a little too quiet. This is a bit suspicious.
Okay.
Okay, and done.
Okay, got it now. I got it all glued up. This is so cool. I have some
Hold on,
glitter.
let me mix it first.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yep.
You already got your slime?
Activator in.
Yep. Can I take off my blindfold now? Cause I'm done.
Okay, that's enough.
All right, guys. Go
This
take it
smells
off.
great. This smells
Come on, mix it now. Okay.
Mine looks like a booger.
What did I tell you?
Mine's gonna be glitter slime. Mine's
Alright.
gonna be so best. Ooh, glittery peppery slime.
Okay, what?
Nice. Ew, mine looks like poop. Seriously, Jojo,
By the
look
way,
at
I'm not
mine.
cheating. I can feel the bubble moving.
Okay.
Ooh, ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna keep. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing it.
That's enough. Maybe I put too much. Nope.
I put too much activator. My thing is so watery. Oh. All right.
Okay.
I'm worried.
Ooh, I'm not worried.
I can't even tell if this is slime.
I can't even tell because
Mine isn't. Mine is water.
Okay, that's what we have to say. Okay.
It was so much. Yeet.
That's fine.
I'm a professional slime maker in my own world.
Fluffy. It's gonna be so fluffy, I can't hold it. Mine is not slime.
put too much shaving cream.
I think I should.
What?
You put so much.
What happened?
No.
I'm gonna put more glue. Where's the glue? Oh wow.
I need to put
Where's
a
my
little
bowl?
bit.
Okay.
Beautiful.
All right. I don't even know this is. This is not okay.
This is not really.
I'm gonna say Joyce won, maybe because she doesn't have her blindfold and she.
I took
completely-
off my blindfold because I was finished.
That's different.
Oh.
That's completely.
Oh well.
You're so funny.
Ooh, I can't turn it into a ball.
Yours is white.
Thank you. Thank you for
It's
this.
so white. I can't. No, it's actually white. Okay, that's enough.
Joyce, you can't finish it.
It looks like gooey.
Is it?
Okay.
My thing looks amazing.
My thing sucks.
Wait, look at this, Joyce.
Where's the-
Joyce, look.
Look at mine. My 50.
It's so watery still.
I think I need more activator.
Oh, your hand is so dirty. Oh, my hand is messy with glue.
Ugh. What is?
It's what?
My thing is so disgusting.
Can you open it? No, yeah, till you finish. You're gonna like your slime.
Okay.
It looks
I have
so,
to keep on adding
so
more
it
glue.
doesn't look.
I know I have to keep on adding more glue because my thing is just water. So
Wait, Jonah, did you take off your blindfold?
yeah, because I was finished. But
Oh.
I realized my
I'm
thing-
cheating. I'm just choosing another color. I'm fine.
No, Joyce, you're not allowed to do that. That's cheating.
That's fine.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Okay, Joyce is technically disqualified.
The
That's
match
watery.
to see who's.
Ew. Oh
You look so nasty.
my. Who's?
You. And I don't like it.
So
Yours
as far
is
as
just white.
yeah, Jodo
looks
said
like-
it looks like a booger. So I'm trusting what he told me.
It looks like slime too. So just Simon's gonna be white. Simon, I'm more coloring to it.
No, I don't even know if I have color.
Yes, you don't. You
You
don't. You
Okay.
don't.
Not
So
at all.
how you gonna
I
tell
do.
me that I'm more color?
Just more.
Is this
Mine is
slime?
slime.
It's slime, but it's sticky.
Pick it up.
I like the consistency, no cap.
Mine looks like icing. I don't even think it's
But
slime.
this feels like, oh my. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Ugh.
It's all over your arm. Like,
My arm?
yes.
Wow.
Now you're putting more on your arm.
Cause I didn't believe him. Where's my bowl?
It's there.
Oh, that's cool. So.
Did you know?
I mean, that was you.
Okay, I gotta keep adding more glue. 'Cause my thing is very watery.
Somebody give me a paper.
Just
this
rub
is
it
too
off with
hard.
glue.
I'm
Just
sad.
rub it off and it'll stick
Oh, I'm
off.
sad. Oh, I'm crying. Oh no.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh
I'm
no.
not trying to finish this.
5 more minutes.
I was so confident. I was so confident.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Yes, come on.
There was a timer?
Yeah.
Yep, come on. See your thing.
See it.
Oh.
See it.
Yo! Y'all didn't tell me this mess.
I told you it was shaving cream. You put so much. Joyce,
Joyce, yours looks like poop.
I'm making another slime.
You dumped so much. Activate.
It's still gonna be plenty. I promise.
Mine's the best. Say less. No. Chill out. It's not.
Mine is.
Wait.
It looks like a chesty poo.
Okay. I think we're gonna end it here. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have fun during quarantine.
Make sure you say mine is the best.
But make sure you guys subscribe and leave down in the comments who do you think had the best. I think if I had more activated, mine would be the best, hands down.
No,
mine is.
I
Mine is
dumped
watery. Mine is
I
so
just dumped the whole activator in and then
I need a napkin. I need a napkin.
I'm not
Feel her.
I'm never
Feel her, Sammy. Feel her.